Namaste everybody, just arriving here in Sabaneta, at the Sabaneta metro station. Christmas lights time, but right now it's still daylight, so in a moment, when it gets dark enough, we'll be in the park seeing some Christmas lights. I'm Eddie Toro, your host with the most. And I make vlogs for expats who are considering living here, or people who are considering becoming expats and considering Medellin, Colombia, Sabaneta, whatever the next one of them. And videos about other things in life. And I do tours as well. Leave my contact information here if you're interested for whatever tour or a video consult call at a fee. So you get an idea. Sabaneta is a small municipality, the smallest one in all of Colombia, or township. And all these buildings you see, high-rise apartment buildings, are basically here in Sabaneta. And Envigado is the next town over, and then Medellin in the distance, and southbound La Estrella on the right side, and Caldas all the way further out. Itagüí is on the other side over here. So that's El Poblado as you see in the distance. Let's go. I hope it doesn't rain. Itagüí and La Estrella, I don't know what that belongs to, but I see a lot of high-rise apartment buildings over there now. It has changed a lot. I think that's still Itagüí for sure. Well, 95% sure. And I feel some raindrops keep falling on my head. Anyway, if you want to live in the flat part of Sabaneta and not up on the hills where the high-rise gated communities are, the flat part here, they got apartments here for rent, but you gotta look for the signs that just rent out without an agency. Well, if you're gonna buy, make sure you get legal counsel if you're looking to get that migrant visa or investor visa or whatever, so you don't get shortchanged. The law in Colombia is very funny when it comes to that. Now the park is right over there, and they have a food court here with a bunch of different options, just so you know. Now I'm just gonna chill for a while, look for a snack to eat somewhere around here, and wait for a little darkness to fall until they can turn on the lights and keep this video as short as possible. And then I can go to another destination, show another town on another day. Here in the metropolitan area of Medellin. Oh wow, they made it bigger. Just before they start blasting the music later on, even though it's a Thursday night, I can at least show you this right here. I see there might be some foreigners here, like over there at that table, and then the rest are all locals. Just a few foreigners. Maybe even more later on. And the famous Buñuelo place is right over there. Well, at Sitio Viejo means the old place. They just turned on the Christmas lights. Pretty cool. And over there at the restaurant, they turned on those things. Everyone just let out a big scream just like 5, 7, 8 seconds ago, 10 seconds ago, because they just turned them on. So let's show you the winter wonderland where it doesn't snow. It's all beautiful here. And people are starting to take their photos and do their thing. I'm just showing you a little bit, and there you go, family photo. The church turned on their lights as well, a little chapel. And it's nicely decorated, and there's a small chapel. We're going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. If any of you remember that classic 50s rock or early 60s rock, I think it was early 60s. I forgot who sang it. I used to have those CDs when I was a teenager. I used to love doo-wop, all that music. And I love Christmas in Colombia. Christmas is fun. Christmas is beautiful. And you don't have to worry about freezing ass temperatures and snow. You're just out in shorts, jeans, t-shirt, you know, with your doggy, walking around with the little doggy right there, beautiful doggy. And yeah, so what do you guys think? This is Sabaneta. Now people are starting to take photos. I always love this part of the Sabaneta Christmas lights, this part right here. Not the little trampoline thing. It used to be fun when I was a kid, but I'm a grown-ass man. But I'm still a kid inside for some things, and for other things, what the hell? If they have trampolines for adults, like a place where you can pay and jump around, like the, what is it? House of Pain song. Jump up and get down, jump around. Everybody jump, jump. La Tienda de Tocayo, since 1928. In 3 years from now, it'll be 100 years old. 2026. Backwards. Let's go this way. let's get a photo for the thumbnail. If you feel that you still miss the penguins or the polar bears, well, they're not polar, they're black bears, whatever. Oh well, Sabaneta has that to offer to you. And everybody's doing the pictures, the selfies, the photos, the angels. And at least I'm here because this on the weekend is impassable. It's bumper to bumper, shoulder to shoulder. When I mean bumper, I'm talking about your rear end. Everybody's rear end, except rear ends here are very big. And I mean that. And that's new. There used to be a lot there with walled up and everything. I guess the municipality bought it and knocked it down and making it better for the experience. And right there, that whole street that I'm not gonna walk down is where they have picadas and choripan and it's all meat. And this thing, I don't like this kind of food that makes me want to barf meat. Oh wow, the whole thing, they made it very much more exciting, enjoyable even for the kids with this artificial astroturf. You know, it's artificial grass, it's not real. The children play around, they got the people, whatever, just enjoying it. So you got this big Christmas tree here. Wow, that is pretty cool. And they have the high-rise apartment buildings here and here on the flat surface here, right close to the park, like just 2 blocks away, a block away to the main town square. People just doing their photos, enjoying. And it's calm right now. It's pretty quiet. It's not overrun with tourists. People. What do you guys think? I'm gonna show you a little more and then I'm gonna call it quits and see if I can make it to the Envigado, because then I want to go home, maybe even to the Medellin River Lights. I'm trying to do 3 in one day because I just don't like to go out and play every day. That's not me anymore. At least I brought another battery pack in case this one runs out. This one is 40%, but I'm not going to turn it off anymore because it's having difficulty turning on and off in terms of the automatic turn off thing, so I'm just going to keep it on. Oh, beautiful little doggy. Look at people there with the whatever. I don't know, I'm just tired, but I'm enjoying this because I'm not going to come back again. I'm going to stay put basically the rest of December. Today's the 18th. It doesn't matter what day in December it is, it's December for Colombians, for paisas, for Antioqueños. Well, he's fast asleep. Wow, I love this layout. It looks like a bunch of little pine trees. Hey doggy! Well, it's got a muzzle. And it looks pretty cool. I really dig it. Do you dig it? Do you guys like it? Is this something you would like to do? How does it compare to your Christmas lights in your part of the world, whether it be in Canada, in the US, in the UK, in the KU, whatever, in any country that celebrates Christmas? I wouldn't ask the question about this in India or whatever, or in Thailand, because people there are just, you know, more like Hindus, Buddhists, or the Middle East, because they're, you know, Islam, Muslim, so it's not their thing. Except if you go maybe to a shopping center in India, in Dubai, in Mumbai or Delhi or whatever. Wow, look at this thing here. Pretty cool. Uh-oh, they're doing the nasty. I mean the kissing. Maybe there was mistletoe and they were doing the mistletoe tradition from the US. Make sure I gotta stay away from the ugly women. The last part of this video here is going to be at Místico. That's the name of this place. And they have the famous buñuelos here. I'm going to buy myself one of those big cheese balls right there. Buñuelo. Buenas noches, ¿cómo le va? Viendo cómo hacen los buñuelos aquí, como siempre. Wow, look at that. Wow. ¿De qué es que hacen el buñuelo? Se me olvida. ¿De qué es que hacen el buñuelo?
Echan harina, huevo, quesito.
Harina, flour, eggs, and cheese. Quesito y mantequilla, ¿o no? Ah, no, es harina, huevo y quesito. Ah, okay. Flour, eggs, and cheese. There we go. Gracias. Felices fiestas. So I'm going to try the buñuelo. One word of advice. I took my eyes off the guy and I told him I want something that's recently out of the thing, just like hot. And this was like almost cold. But I noticed too late. Still good. It's a bit warm. Just a wee bit. Delicious. And with that, we end the vlog. Merry Christmas if you're not watching me anymore. If this is the only time you're watching me, have a Merry Christmas. And if it's not Christmas anymore, just have a Happy New Year. I don't know when this will come out, but it'll come out. $2 for this.